In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to Miro board. We'll start on Miro.com. Head to the dashboard in your browser and make sure you're in the workspace where you want to work. To follow along from scratch, create a new file. Choose Create New, then select Board. Miro will spin up a blank canvas so you can practice without affecting any existing work. Before we comment, let's put something on the board to reference. On the left toolbar, click the Text tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and type a short line, like a title or a note. It doesn't need to be perfect, this is just to give us an anchor for the comment. You can resize or move the text if you want, but the key is having an object or area on the board you'll point your comment at. Now switch to commenting. Look at the top toolbar and click the comment button to enter comment mode. This tool lets you place a comment anywhere on the board or attach it to a specific object so your feedback is clearly linked. Add your comment by clicking on the canvas or directly on the text you just added. A small comment box appears. Type your message clearly and keep it actionable. For example, suggest a change, ask a question, or add context someone else might need. If you want to make sure a teammate sees it, use the @ symbol to mention them. As you type the @ symbol followed by a person's name, Miro will suggest matching collaborators from your workspace. Selecting a person notifies them and draws their attention right to this thread. You can also add emoji in the comment to communicate tone or mark quick reactions. A simple thumbs up, a check mark, or a smile can reduce back and forth while keeping the discussion friendly and clear. Use them sparingly to keep the thread easy to scan. When you're satisfied with your message, click Submit. The comment lands in place with a small marker on the board. From here, teammates can reply in a thread, resolve the comment when it's addressed, or keep the discussion going as the work evolves. If you place the comment on an object, moving that object will move the comment with it, which helps keep context intact as your board changes. That's it. Go to Miro, create a new board, add a little text, switch to the comment tool, write your feedback, mention teammates with the @ symbol, sprinkle in emoji when helpful, and submit. You're ready to collaborate clearly and efficiently on any Miro board.